there Facebook users, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will be walking you through how to remove free mode on Facebook. Have you been using Facebook's free mode and want to switch back to the standard version? Well, you're in luck. In this video I will guide you through each and every steps. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook account and log into it if you have not logged in already. Next, tap on menu present on the bottom right of your screen. Here, after you land on the menu page, tap on Mobile Center, then select the gear-like icon present on the top right. After this, tap on Out of Basic Mode and then select OPT Out. Well, there you have it, a quick and easy tutorial on how to remove free mode in Facebook. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.